Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm going to fix something real good, real quick. Okay, my son lives in North Carolina. He's always giving me venison. So I've got some cube steak here. So I'm going to take it. And we're going to wash it, just to rinse it off just a little bit. He does a lot of deer hunting, and when he does, he always brings me a bunch when he comes down. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fix some sweet and sour venison meat. What you need a green pepper, red pepper, onion, and some whole cranberry sauce. Very simple to fix. We're going to fix some sweet and sour venison meat. My son brought me from North Carolina. So what I have done, you need a green pepper, a red pepper, sweet pepper, and you just slice it up. Okay, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have fixed this and didn't realize that my battery had gone dead. But this is venison sweet and sour steaks. And what I did is I cut up my green pepper and my red pepper and some onions. First off, I took a can of cranberry sauce with the whole berries, put it on the bottom of the crock pot. Then I laid my onions, my peppers on top of the cranberry sauce, and then I put my steak on top of that. And just left it alone, don't add nothing else, and let it cook for about 4 or 5 hours. And we wound up with the venison steak with the sweet and sour. And it was really, really good. And I just really hate that I messed up with the camera. But again, it's just the green peppers with the cranberry sauce and onions. Let's just see what we have got. Well, it looks good. It smells good. Now let's see how tender this is. Oh yes, it is really tender. Look at that. Can you see that, how easy it is to cut? Very good. Now this is venison steak from North Carolina that my son brought down here. I have put onions, green peppers, red peppers, they are sweet peppers, and I put a can of cranberry. I used the whole berry sauce, and you just put your cranberry sauce in the crock pot with your onions and your peppers, lay your meat on top, and just let it cook. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom, it sure is tender. Sometimes you can cook venison and it's really tough. Well, this is definitely not tough. Now I'm going to fix some cream potatoes and we're going to have dinner. Thank you for watching. Give me your comments. Come back to see me, and have a real good day. Bye.